Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Today we are going to learn Unit 10 Exercise 10.3. In this video, you will learn that how can we draw a congruent angle. First of all, I will tell you that what are congruent angle. Those angles which are equal in measure are called congruent angle. And now in this video we have to draw a congruent angle of the given angle. So the question is that draw an angle of 70 degree and construct an angle congruent to this angle. We have to draw an angle which is measure in 70 degree, and we have to draw an angle which is congruent to this angle. So for this I have drawn an angle of 70 degree. I will show you that this angle is equal to 70 degree with the help of protractor. At point A, you can see that this angle is equal to 70 degree. Now I have to draw a congruent angle of this angle, and for this we have to draw, to make the congruent angle we have to draw a line with next to this angle. Now I have drawn line next to this angle and I've given name x and y. After this we have to open our compass with suitable radius, and I have taken radius of 3 centimeter. At point A, in the center, we have to make an arc which cut the arm of this angle, which cut C and B. We have to draw an arc at point A in center, and we have to name these two points E and F. After this, with the same radius, we have to draw an arc at point X. At point X, we have to draw an arc which intersect X and Y with the same radius. So at point X, I have drawn an arc which intersect X and Y, and I have given this point P. After this, with the length of E and F, I have to open my compass with the same length of E and F. After this, at point Q, I have to make an arc which cut the previous arc. So for this, at point P, I have make an arc which cut my previous arc, and the point of intersection where two arcs intersect each other, I have given name Q. I have given name this point Q. Where my two arcs intersect, I have given name to this point Q. Now the last step is I have to draw a line which combine Q and X. I have combined X and Q to make a line, and I have given this line name Z. Now my congruent angle has finished. I have finished. Now we have to measure the angle. So for this I will use my protractor. I will place it on X, and then you can see that we have drawn congruent angle of 70 degree, and the measure of congruent angle is also 70 degree. So what are congruent angle? those angles which are equal in measure. And how can we draw an congruent angle? I will show you. I have shown you in this video that how can we draw congruent angle. I hope you all have understood. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.